Okay, Alpine Android Car GPS player. Setting for 360 camera or connect original reverse camera. So now show for the already set for the built-in 360, the 360 panorama. Okay, for the setting you have to go setting app, go to display, okay, reverse and AVM cam type. Now I choose for the built-in 360. If you fix the Alpine Android car player all in one set together with your Alpine 360 front, rear, left, right 4 camera, so you have to change setting to built-in 360. Okay, and the camera tab, camera system, you have to select for the 720-25, or if your 360 is switched to the 1080p, you have to choose either one for 360 built-in. Okay, so if you connect your original reverse camera, no 360, original reverse camera only, so you have to go to reverse AVM. Okay, you have to set for the original car reversing. After you set original car reversing, the 360 icon will change for the stream media. Okay, go back setting, display, reverse AVM. So you set for the original car reversing, and the reverse camera system you have to choose. You can choose for the HD or normally original reverse camera you have to choose for the CVBS-N. In except your original reverse camera is HD version. Okay, normally you have to choose for the CVBS-N for original reverse. Okay, if your car original have 360, you can try connect to the original car reversing or the 360 reversing, either one. If your car original have 360, you have to choose either one. And same for reverse camera system, you have to try to select CVBS or HD 720-25. Switch either one. So this is setting for 360 bird view camera or original reverse camera for Alpine Android car player. Thank you.